Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hello, everyone.
He's in the kitchen. He told me that he would say hi from there. Okay, so anyways, I want to show you guys these 4 journals I've completed, and 3 of these will be in my Etsy shop. So this is the one that we've been working on together, and I'm just going to kind of do a flip through for those of you who have seen what I've done. Then you kind of know, and you know, we kind of did a journal start to finish. So, but this one will be in my Etsy when this video goes live. So, sorry, he's making noise in the back. There's a bunch of little journaling spots in here. I didn't do tons of embellishing, you know, like I typically do, because I wanted these to be more simple. And, you know, so the price point and stuff wasn't as high as some of my other ones are. So, and I'm just doing a quick flip through. This is about 7 1/4 inches by 5, yeah, 5 1/2, and there's about 20 pages, so that's about 120 pages front and back. Is that right? So 20 times 2 is 40 times 2 is, so it's about 80 pages front and back. Had to think about that. So this one has tags and all kinds of goodies in here. So it's just a quick flip through. This is a little belly band. A little paper clip that comes down. The reason I'm doing such a quick flip through is because I have 4 of them to show you guys. So, paper clip. And this one I did the stenciling and stuff, but I neglected to do that in the other ones before I sewed it all together, so that's not going. So if you want one that has stenciling in it, this is the one to get. Okay, so that's the first one, and I will probably call this one like pale pink because this is the lightest color. And I will have photos in my Etsy. This is the one that's not for sale, but I just kind of wanted to do a flip through for you. I think it was this one. Yeah, it's this one. Just a quick little flip through. Some papers. This one I put like a little bag in here. I didn't have my bags when I had started putting those other ones together. So I'm not keeping this one, but it's already spoken for. And this one has like a little flip out there, little journaling cards, spaces, little envelope, decorative, and then some little things there. And I will be sending, you know, a bunch of goodies with this, especially some more papers and stuff that match. Maybe some laces and stuff like that too. That way there's plenty of things to decorate with. There's a cup stir. I tell you. This is a little pocket. This is just a little kind of lacy pocket with some journaling spots. In this one, if you remember, we did this envelope, and it's supposed to be folded, and it could either have been in the center of a signature or folded and placed on a page. So that's what I did, and that gives us tons of pocket space. So I love how these turned out. They were so fun. All from just from an idea I saw on Pinterest, and these are the ones I came up with. Okay, this one, I'll just put this one as Rose Journal. Again, they each have about 80 pages or so. Flip. This one has some older pages in here. It has some dictionary paper. Tons of journaling spots in here. So this one has belly bands in here. Some little places where you can hide notes and stuff. The pocket. Oh. They all took off. I don't know where they're going. Tons of lace. I love that. And look at this pocket. I love how that turned out. It needs a little bit more glue there though. Do that before I forget. Then this, I just put some lace on this envelope. This is an eco-dyed envelope. And then it has like a little journaling spot inside. Another little pocket that we did. And I love the lace that I used on this one. I just love that. This one side I put lace on there as well. So just some Ideal paper. Another little envelope. Pretty papers, pretty belly bands, just little tuck spots for more journaling spots. Here's another one of those little burlap with lace pockets. This is kind of like a banner that we did, but I turned it upside down because I think this was a card. Yeah, it was a card. And there's something down here I didn't want to show, so I just flipped the banner upside down, and it's just a little tuck spot. So I thought that was cute. Some more journaling spots in here. And again, this one will be called Roses, Pink Roses, let's call it that. And then the last one was this one, and I love this cover. I think it's so pretty. It's just burlap lace, a satin ribbon for a tie, and then I backed it with some pink. So I still have my theme of pink and burlap. This one has an inside pocket, some beautiful papers. This one has belly bands throughout. There's a little tuck spot. So this one will be called Burlap and Lace in the Etsy store. Some little tuck spots. Papers. This was like an eco dyed paper. Avocado dyed paper. Here's a burlap and lace kind of tuck spot. Some journaling card. Kind of a little tuck spot here with a little card. An envelope with some lace. And then I just stuck a little card in there so you know that, there's something you can put in there. Here's a little shaker paper clip with some journaling space. Another paper clip. Crunchy paper. This one's kind of brighter than the rest of them. I made a belly band out of some leftover material that we used in the other books. Another belly band with a journaling card that has some lace sewn onto it. A banner, and this was just a little, it's kind of like a bingo music card, but it is blank on the back, so you could use that for journaling if you wanted. Some lace, a pocket. Clint's famous pocket.
That's a pretty good idea I had. I come up
Another
with them
little
every now and
tuck spots. Eco dye paper. Here is just a little collage I did. Since I hurt my back, I've been doing some, or my neck, doing some crochet, and I thought this color flower would go perfect on here, so I just did some collage out of some of the leftover scraps. Thought that was really cute. Here's another paper clip with another little journaling spot. Here's another little collage. Like I said, I didn't get in to do the stenciling in here, but you could certainly do that. And then I made this. I thought this was cute. Just some little tiny tags. Here's a piece of burlap that I made into a pocket, so it's a double pocket or a double pocket and tuck spot with some little tags that I decorated. Some more journaling spot here. Some more of the avocado dyed paper. This avocado dyed paper was from GT Designs on Etsy. And then the fabric flip here is on the back. And then I just took a piece of paper and stuck it in there. I thought it went really well. So those are the 3 journals, well, the 4 journals, the 3 that are for sale. Let me put them back out here so you can see, and if you have a favorite, then you can, you know, choose your favorite and head over to my Etsy. So, let's see if I can get them all in the picture. There we go. So again, they're about 7.5 by 5.5 across, and there's about 80 pages in each one of them. So, and I will send a little bag of goodies to go with it. This one will be called Fabric and Lace. This one will be called Pink Roses. And this one will be called Pastel Burlap and Lace. We'll call it like that. Did I say this is Burlap and Lace? Yeah. Anyways, look at the pictures before you order. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.